First we're opening colors. Stay with us. Purple color, sky blue color, light green color. The next one is orange color, brown color, yellow color, blue color, red color, light green color, light pink color, white color. The next one is silver color, black color, dark pink color. First we're using the color of dark pink color, writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. D. E. F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using the color of brown and writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. I. J. K. K for kite. Now we're using the color of light pink. L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N. O. P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. Now we're using the color of yellow, writing the alphabet of S. The next one is T. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W. The next one is X. Y. And the last one is Z. Vivid green color, exactly. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow, kids. The next one is D. Stay with us. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. F. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. H for hand. I. I for eyes. Baby blue color. J for joker. The next one is K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. Exactly. The next one is O. The alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Pale pink color. S. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. U for umbrella, exactly. The next one is V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Now we're using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of Y. The last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. 1. The next one is 2, exactly. 3. THREE. 4. FOUR. 5. FIVE 5. 6. SIX 6. 7. 8. Kids, the next one is 9. NINE 9. 10. Rose, big color. The next one is black color. Black color. Cool gray color. Kids, the next one is yellow, green color. The next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Geranium color. The next one is forest green color. Exactly. The next one is mint blue color. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. The next one is light violet color. The next one is emerald green color. Vivid purple color. Now we're using the color of vivid purple, writing the alphabet A. B. C. D. E. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. Now we're using the color of yellow, green, writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Stay with us. H for hand. I. The next one is J. K. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for lion. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of M. M. N. The next one is O, exactly. P. Q. Kids, the next one is R. The next one is S. T. U. The next one is V. V for van. Now we're using the color of black. W. The next one is X. Y. The last one is Z. The next one is numbers. Now we're writing numbers. Pastel pink color. The number of 1. The next one is 2. The number of 3, exactly. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6, S-I-X. 7. The number of 8. The next one is 9. 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. Scarlet color. Scarlet color. Yellow color. Yellow color. The next one is pale pink color. Pale pink color. Cream color. Cream color. Warm gray color. Warm gray color. Coral red color. Coral red color. Lavender color. Lavender color. Baby blue color. Baby blue color. Vivid green color. Vivid green color. Raw silk color. Raw silk color. Kids, the next one is pale blue light color. Stay with us. Scarlet color. Alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. Lavender color. Exactly, lavender color. J for joker. K. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M. N. The next one is O. P. P. Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. Deep olive green color. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for snake. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Cream color. Cream color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. The next one is 3. Kids, stay with us. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. 7. The next one is 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.